what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I look a mess right now. Saturday, September the 24th. It's about 4:46, so it's almost 5 o'clock here as we ease into fall. I'm gonna be doing more decor, home decor videos. Turned 25 August the 11th, so I threw like this big floral wonderland party, and I really just had to recover from that financially. It took a lot of energy out of me anyways, so you know, now I'm recovering and I'm just ready to be back here on YouTube. I was doing a lot of like shopping and things of that nature like before my birthday party. So you guys are gonna see some clips that I'm gonna upload in this video. A clip where I purchased from the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. I purchased a lot of things from the semi-annual sale. I was gonna do a haul. I just never got around to that, unfortunately. I'm gonna be posting my hygiene shopping haul, and I'm also gonna be posting a get ready with me, and then just talking about all of my birthday celebrations with the clips. I just wanted to come to you all to let you guys know what's been going on, why I've been ghosted. Today, I don't have anything planned. Today, I'm kind of just relaxing. So this is why I'm using this day as my intro, because we already know a lot of times I literally forget to do my intro. This is actually my maintenance week. A lot of times I'm not able to schedule all of my maintenance appointments in 1 week, mainly because of like the scheduling, the timing, traffic here in Georgia. It's a lot. Black owned nail salon here in Georgia. It's called Pink Martini Nail Bar. I go there once every Sunday, but now I'm gonna be switching things up. And then I have to get my hair done on that Wednesday. I have to do my wax tomorrow as well. So my nails and my wax Sunday. I have to do facial on Monday, and we are doing my hair on Wednesday. I just recently purchased this. If you guys are on TikTok, then you know that the girls have been raving about this. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. So a lot of the girls have been saying you can use this for under your armpit to like lighten it, but I've also heard a few of the girls talk about how they use this for their bikini area, because it kind of helps with preventing ingrown hairs, because you know the glycolic acid is just a natural exfoliating solution. So with that being said, I was like, girl, I have to go and get this. We're gonna go ahead and be trying this. So I ordered this from Sephora. Okay guys, so I just left the nail shop. Here is my nails. Just something really simple. You guys already know I keep a very simple, basic, nail style. I don't like anything extra. But just wanted to show you guys that I am now on my way to my nail appointment, but I had to stop and get some suya. If you know, you know.
Okay, guys, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a voiceover for this part because I ordered this hair off of Amazon. It costed me about $169 in total, $175 with taxes and everything. I got a 24-inch, 26-inch, 28 and 30-inch. I originally ordered this hair and didn't even pay attention to the reviews. Once getting the hair, I realized this hair was maybe a synthetic blend, but it wasn't a true version unprocessed hair. So I went ahead and washed it and put a lot of conditioner in it and let it sit before my hair appointment. I will also show you why I think it's a synthetic blend. It has some green hair in it, and it also looks very like straggly. It gets super tangled really easily. I just really hated this hair, but I went ahead and went with it because I needed to get my hair done. But if you guys could see in the video, it definitely does look very dry, straggly. It did shed a lot, so I don't recommend this hair, but I am just showing you guys what I did as soon as I got the hair. I put a lot of conditioner in it. This is I forget, this is my L'Oreal Professionals conditioner. I got this in a salon a while back, and I like to use this for my weaves and bundles and wigs. Once I realized the hair wasn't that good, I later went back on the reviews and realized that a lot of people said the hair wasn't that good. So I was kind of bummed out about that. I actually took it to my hairstylist, and she also said it wasn't the best hair. I'll leave a link to this hair down below so you guys know to avoid it. So yes, you guys, I'm gonna probably leave this in my hair for about 2 weeks. That's all it could take, I think. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did. Also, when I went and got my hair done, my hairstylist also took the hair and cleaned it, dried it, and got all of the conditioner out because it wasn't going to be able to lay like that. So I'm also putting a a pre-wash in here as well. I let this stuff sit in my hair overnight before going to my hair appointment, and as you guys can see, it looks a little bit better in my opinion. The curl pattern came back and it looks really nice. I like to order my hair off of Amazon sometimes because it's really fast and they sometimes have really good quality hair, but you definitely have to pay attention to the reviews. I wouldn't recommend purchasing any hair without looking at the reviews, or else you're going to end up in a situation in which I did. So as you can see, I just continued to put the conditioner and pre-wash on the bundles and just really get it in the bundles and every strand as much as I can because I really wanted to soften the hair up. If you guys have any recommendations on some Amazon sellers that have good hair, definitely comment down below and let me know. I definitely would like to look into them. So when I take this hair out, I'll probably use it for a half up, half down, but that would probably be my last time using this hair. And here's why I thought the hair was a synthetic blend. I don't normally see little strands of green inside of my bundles. You guys comment down below and let me know if this is a normal thing. This isn't normal for me when I purchase my bundles. So I just wanted to show you guys that.
One-click data clearing, email protection, and more, all for free. Download the app today and get the most comprehensive privacy protection with the push of a button. Just.go.
Okay, you guys, this is what my hair ended up looking like. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.